Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Today we are going to talk about a very essential thing which is in everyone's house and everyone needs it every day for their day-to-day life. Be it poor or rich, everyone needs this thing and everyone has this thing in their house. Which thing is this? This thing is knife. Do you know that this essential thing used every day can also bring auspicious or inauspicious results in our life and negative or positive vibes in your home? Knives, scissors, forks, blades, all of these sharp objects are essential household items. Some Vastu experts believe that such objects are a source of negative energy, and some believe that sharp objects do not bring negativity if you place it in the right direction and in the right manner. In this video, we will tell you which metal made of knife you should use, how should be the sharpness and edge of the knife, where and how to keep the knife, and what are the big mistakes we do due to which the knife brings inauspiciousness in your life and at your home.
Vastu Shastra has been given great importance in Hinduism. Vastu Shastra is associated with almost everything in Hindu families. Especially when it comes to the kitchen, the importance of Vastu Shastra increases even more. Along with the design of the kitchen, the role of Vastu is also huge for the items kept in the kitchen. If we talk about utensils, then there are many such things that we all have heard. For example, the pan should never be kept upside down, never make noise with the tongs, etc. Apart from these, many times you must have also heard that the knife should not be given in anyone's hands. It causes quarrels. It is pointless to argue on how much this is true and how much this is false. But if we believe and follow some Vastu rules related to knives and other sharp objects in the house and kitchen, then the loss of people, money, and health in the house can be avoided. The most commonly used utensil in the kitchen is a knife. A knife is considered as a shastra, meaning a weapon. The knife is used multiple times throughout the day. If there is no knife in the kitchen, then the food will not be able to be cooked. For this reason in Vastu, a lot of importance has been given to the way of keeping the knife and other sharp objects. According to Vastu Shastra, any object which is sharp and pointed in the house should never be kept in such a way that its pointed part is visible from outside. Doing so can result in health issues. According to Vedic Shastra, a knife invites happiness, prosperity, and health in the house. If it is not used properly or is not kept properly, then it can harm you a lot. Knife should never be rubbed with another knife or never play with knives by rubbing or hitting against each other. It is believed that this creates disparities within the family and creates conflicts. There are 5 elements of the nature, that is wood, metal, water, fire and earth. According to Vastu Shastra, in the destructive cycle of 5 elements, it is said that metal cuts wood, meaning it destroys. In Vastu Shastra, the area or element in the southeast direction of the house is described as wood. You should never keep a knife or scissors in this direction of your house by mistake. It destroys the positive energy coming in the house. If you keep a sharp object in the southeast direction of the house, then all your desires get washed away. Not only this, you may also have to bear the loss of money. Many people decorate the house with swords, daggers, and decorative knives and hang them on the wall. But this kind of thing makes you violent. At the same time, it opens the doors for bad luck. However, if you want to decorate these things, then you should avoid placing them in the east and southeast direction of the house because the element of these directions is wood. If you do not keep the knife or scissors in the right direction or place, then there is always a conflict between the members of the house and there can never be peace in the house. What material the knife is made of is also very crucial. Nowadays, knives of different materials are available in the market like steel, iron, cast iron, ceramic, Damascus steel, titanium nitride coated knives, etc. But according to Vastu Shastra, we should use knife made of iron. Using a knife made of iron increases prosperity, improves skill, and brings success in the job and business. The second important thing is that when we sharpen the edge of iron knife, then the Rahu's energy is removed from it and the energy of Mars is formed in the form of sharpened edge of that iron knife. This creates positive energy in the house and the people of the house stay energetic, especially the earning person of the house starts feeling positive and energetic. The people of the house whose knife does not have sharp edge or having knives with very less sharpness, the people of that house become lethargic and the old people of the house suffer from joint diseases. The men of such houses feel less fire inside themselves and they start feeling old before time. Try to use an iron knife with good condition and sharp edge and don't let it rust. Always use coal to sharpen the edge of an iron knife because if sharpening the edge of an iron knife using coal, it gives a lot of shine and at the same time your relationship will become even stronger. And its best example is a diamond. If you sharpen the edge of an iron knife using coal, then the knife will shine more, its edge will last long. Nowadays, knives with different edge shapes are available in the market. Many knives have straight and plain edges and many knives are zigzag or toothed edges. But according to astrology, you should avoid knives with zigzag or toothed edges because such knives affect the Kartari Yoga in our horoscope. There are many auspicious and inauspicious yoga in astrology like Kartari Yoga, and Kartari Yoga is of two types. First is auspicious Kartari Yoga and the second is Pap Kartari Yoga. Zigzag and toothed edges knives affect Kartari Yoga in our Kundali, meaning the horoscope. For example, if you place knife in the southwest direction, meaning you are presenting Mangal, meaning Mars, in the direction of Rahu, and in this situation the chances of fire accidents like short circuit often increase at such a place. If you place knife in the west direction, then it increases the chances of disputes. Disputes start between husband and wife, father and son, mother and son, disputes between siblings, mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, etc. Many people cut the vegetable with a knife and hang it on the wall. Now designer knives have started coming in the market too. They can be easily mounted on the wall, but this method is not correct. These objects are not to put on display. As per Vastu rules, if any sharp tool is hung on the wall, it makes your behavior too strict and firm. At the same time, in terms of health, if the knife suddenly falls, then injury can also occur. If you hang sharp objects like knives or scissors on the wall, then it also brings poverty into the house. These days, modern kitchens have such a facility that long utensils, knives and ladles are hung on the wall, but it is inauspicious. The knife or scissors should always be kept in such a way that their sharp part is not visible. After cutting the vegetable, keep the knife on the gas stand or put it in the vegetable basket. Always keep them in closed cabinets or inside their cases. There will be no loss of any kind and the knife will be easily found when the time comes. If someone is gifting you a knife, then in return you must give some gift to that person or else give 101 rupees. This will give you a good knife results. Items with pointed edges should never be presented to anyone as a gift. Even when offering a rose bouquet to someone, make sure the thorns are removed. Keeping utensils in the kitchen can also spoil your future if you ignore these Vastu rules. Watch our other videos related to kitchen Vastu. Videos and playlist link is given in the description.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.